Hey guys, so today I'm doing I'm going to be doing another video, and it's gonna be an animal jam. I got Aimee here to be doing the video. I'm fine. So I'm gonna set it up. Set it up. Is that good? Hey guys, if you guys are here and you want to be my video, don't do that. If you want to be my best friend on Animal Jam, just type in /55575 and I can be your friend. That's all. And the butter. Okay, so we're just setting it up. See, I know, /555. Okay, it will be small. It's small.
Oh, that's bigger.
Okay, here it comes. Here we come. Okay, she started. I'm gonna go. It's not like that.
You need it bigger like that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
Guys,
Get ready to do a video. Yeah, let's go.
see, I'm Aimee, and I'm remember right now I have got since Christmas, because I got it on Christmas one day. And this is where I got my houses. I don't have enough money yet. Oh, I do.
Don't buy too many houses.
I'm just buying this one now. Now I can go get more. How much? I got 4,000. I want to spend 4,000, but I can't.
But Aimee, don't.
Now I have to go but get some more money.
You have to spend all of it.
Just got my 10.
Okay, so
check out my 10. Wait.
She's doing some stuff. I will go and get ready to make a video of Minecraft.
I got mail. Ooh. Alyssa. She wants to be my buddy with me.
You should. You never accept buddies.
Whoa. Okay, right now I have so much money. So less money. Yeah, yeah. This is all my stuff. And I'm gonna trade it. Definitely not the portal. Because it's only for my member. I'm only gonna trade, not that either. That.
You should set everything up first and save the stuff that you don't need.
Okay, guys, ready? I'm gonna just say.
Aimee, don't make too long a video. You've got 10 more minutes.
Okay. When we come in, I'm just gonna put it on the roof. There we go. My buddy that's going to
You can't keep on doing that. You should talk about what you're doing. So I'm gonna put it on the roof because
my friend Bella, actually. She was.
Don't say the actual information of the person. But do you know why, Aimee? Because they might not want to be on, like, have any information on it.
Oh, I don't want to put food in my animals room. Yeah, have food on the way back. No. Wow, in the corner?
Not in the furthest end, because otherwise you can't really get past it. No,
that's better. Oh gosh, I hate this person. I'll put it in my animals room. Because I have animals and what's around them. Just because I can.
They can have lots of
toys in their room because I have
animal toys and stuff.
I have a lot.
You need to go put down their bed.
You mean their house?
Their bed.
Their house?
In the bed.
The house is gonna be in. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna put the house. When could I have one? Oh yeah, that's fine.
Aimee, you're talking about your mom. You've got it in the video now.
Hi.
No, you don't.
I'm
You've got
going.
like 5 minutes. Do you want to make the videos too long?
Wait, I'm making good.
If you make like an hour worth of just Animal Jam, it gets really boring and they won't watch the end. So you've got to actually do fun stuff instead of just setting up your house. And Aimee, then do you want to make a Minecraft video?
Sure, if there's nothing. Okay, now we're gonna play this. Wait, what's fun? Do you want to go on an adventure? Epic
Yeah,
Games?
that would be good. An adventure.
Or Epic Games?
An adventure.
Swimming things. Adventure.
Yep, so I guess we will
Go on the next video.
we will on the next video we will continue.
Yeah. So, bye. Bye bye.
Aimee, let me see what
That's the wrong one.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah.
Here. Listen it. So guys, I'm gonna make a Minecraft video and so is Aimee and then we're gonna
finish up the video.
we have.
Another one.
And then we're gonna do another